Today I am going to introduce the topic, that is Introduction to Dbms and SQL. Myself Ms. MAMTA WANJRE from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. DBMS, that is Database Management System. It is a software system that allows users to define, create and maintain a database and provide controlled access to the data. A DBMS, that is Relational Database Management System, a DBMS based on relational data model. All information is represented as relations and relations are viewed as two-dimensional table. That is the overview of DBMS. In that, software, data, procedures, users and hardware, that is a complete computer system. Advantages, various advantages of DBMS are there, that is systematic way of organizing data, maintaining data integrity, ease of updating the data, faster way of querying and retrieving data, extracting meaningful information from data, easy distribution of information, securing the data, maintenance of data and system, easy disaster recovery. Let us see introduction to SQL. SQL is a standard computer language, or that is also called structured query language, used to communication with DBMS. Declarative or non-procedural language, that is DDL, that is data definition language, supports creation of database objects. DML, that is a data manipulation language, allows processing or manipulation of database objects. Let us see one by one. First is creating table. For that, we use a command create table and give the table name. In bracket, you have to write down column 1 data type, column 2 data type, column 3 data type, up to column n, number of columns you can add, and give the primary key one or more columns and close the bracket, and at the end semicolon should be there. That means that is the end of the statement. Next is populating table. For that means you have to insert the data into that table. So insert command is there, insert into table name, in bracket column 1, column 2, column 3 up to whatever, and values you have to insert value 1, value 2, number of values you have to insert, and at the end semi-comma should be there. Or you also write it down, insert into table name values, in bracket value 1, value 2 up to value n, close the bracket, semi-comma should be there. Otherwise, again you may also write insert into first table name, in square bracket column 1, column 2 up to column n, select column 1, column 2 up to column n from second table name, and in bracket where condition should be there, and semi-comma. Next is Boolean operators. For that, select column 1, column 2, column n from table name if you want to see what you have inserted into that table. So select is there, which column, if you want to see all columns, so number of columns you have to mention here, where condition should be there, condition 1 and condition 2 and up to condition n should be there. Otherwise, you also write select column 1, column 2, column n from table name where condition, or otherwise second condition should be there, or number of conditions you may write. And one more is select column 1, column 2 up to column n from table name where not condition. Next is between operator. Select column 1, column 2, column n from table name where column name between low value and high value. So between operator we use between these two columns, that will indicate Pattern matching, that is a select column 1, column 2, column n from table name where column name like pattern is mentioned here and at the end semi-comma. Otherwise, you may also write select from table name where column like that pattern is also XXX%, that is in single quote. Otherwise, select from table name where column like that both side you have to mention in between percent, in between that XXX whatever column is there, that is pattern is there, and at the end semi-comma. Order by or group by statement, for that select column list from table name where condition should be there, and you have to mention order by. Ascending, if you want to ascending or descending, you mention there. One more is there, the select column 1, column 2 from table name where condition, group by column 1, column 2, or order by column 1, column 2. You have to write down. Or select column 1, column 2 from table 1 and table 2 where conditions, group by column 1, column 2 having condition, and order by column 1, column 2. These are the various statements. Aggregate function, for in that minimum, maximum, sum, average, count. Alter statement is also there. Alter table, if you want to change the alter the table, for that alter table, table name is there. Add new column 1 data type, constant, and constant type is there. Alter table, table name, or modify column 1 data type, constant, constant name is there. Or alter table, table name, drop constant is also there. This is for alter statement. Same thing for update and delete statements are there. If you want to update the table or delete the table, delete the columns in that table. Join, that is another statement. In that equi-join, self-join, outer join is there. In outer join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join is there. These are various statements for outer joins. Subqueries are also there. Subqueries must be enclosed within parentheses. A subquery can have only one column in the select clause unless multiple columns are in main query for the subquery to compare its selected column. An order by command cannot be used in a subquery, although the main query can use an order by. The group by command can be used to pattern the same function as the order by in a subquery. Subqueries that return more than one row can only be used with multiple value operators such as the in operator. The select list cannot include any references to values that evaluate to a blob, array, or glob or enclove. A subquery cannot be immediately enclosed in a set function. The between operator cannot be used with a subquery. However, the between operator can be used within the subquery. These are different subquery statements are available. Trigger. What is a trigger? That is a special type of programming language or SQL blocks which are automatically triggered or executed by the database engine itself when any one of the database event occurs. A trigger can be executed before or after any DML event like insert, delete, update, or DDL events like alter, drop, etc. These are the different trigger statements are there. Thank you.